Spectacular stuff, trouble brewing for next week. We'll keep a close eye on that as we get later in the weekend.
All right, Tom, thanks so much. Facebook is being unfriended on Wall Street today, and diaper maker Kimberly-Clark is facing a messy situation. Jane King's at the NASDAQ market site with these stories and more. It's your King Business Report.
Facebook's revenue fell short and growth is slowing. That sent the stock way down and it lost billions in value. One investment group says Mark Zuckerberg should be removed as chairman of the company but keep the CEO role because of the way the data privacy scandals have been handled. Amazon reports its quarterly numbers after the closing bell today. The company is expected to see a huge jump in growth on its most profitable businesses like cloud computing. A strong earnings report could make Amazon the world's first $1 trillion company. Huggies maker Kimberly-Clark warning of higher diaper prices. The company says it is facing higher costs and it may have to charge customers more to make up the difference. Kimberly-Clark also sells mainly to drugstores and supermarkets, which are facing their own pricing pressures due to the popularity of online shopping. And Budweiser keeps losing drinkers. In the U.S., sales of Budweiser and Bud Light have fallen as once loyal American consumers shift away from domestic lagers toward craft beers, Mexican imports, wine, and spirits. The other beers the company has rolled out haven't really caught on with shoppers yet. From the NASDAQ market site in Times Square, I'm Jane King with your business update.
Jane King, thanks so much. Let's take a look, see how stocks are performing at this noon hour. Wow, Dow Jones Industrial is on a nice rally northward, up 141 points to sit right now at 25,555. NASDAQ Composite, though, it's down 65 points to sit at 78.66. Chick-fil-A is expanding north to Canada. The company reports it will open its first franchise international restaurant in Toronto next year. Plans are also underway to open at least 15 additional Chick-fil-A restaurants across the greater Toronto area over the next 5 years. Chick-fil-A executives say they've wanted to expand to Toronto for a very long time, saying it's one of the best and most vibrant cities in North America. Alexa can now tell you the hours and phone numbers of businesses in your area as Amazon works to make the voice assistant more useful. So, for example, you can now ask your Echo device, Alexa, what time does Rite Aid close? And you'll get the hours for the pharmacy nearest to your home. The new data is the result of a partnership with Yext, which stores information on more than 1 million businesses. Researchers have identified the best diet for reducing the risk for cancer. The study conducted in France looked at nutritional recommendations from several health organizations. They found a largely plant-based diet high in whole grains and low in meat, sugar, and salt had the greatest benefit. Low alcohol consumption was also key in reducing the risk for all types of cancer. And people who feel faint or dizzy when they stand up just might face a higher risk for dementia. The sudden drop in blood pressure is called orthostatic hypotension. Researchers at Johns Hopkins University found middle-aged adults with the condition were 54% more likely to develop dementia during their lifetime. They also had twice the risk of suffering a stroke. Chris?
News of the Weird coming up. A family in